Good morning, students. So today we will discuss the next topic, wireless local area network. So the topic that we have discussed in the previous when we did the type of networks like LAN, WAN, and MAN. So in that the LAN that we discussed is the wired network, and this LAN is also a wireless local area network. It can be implemented like the wireless devices. And see, if you use the college Wi-Fi if you have used the college Wi-Fi in your, you can say that college time. So that means you have used the wireless LAN terminology in that case. So the wireless LAN stands for the wireless local area network. It is also called LAN. So local area wireless network. Either wireless could be at the starting point or either at the third position. So WLAN is one in which a mobile user can connect to a local area network through a wireless connection. So even if you are using the hotspot connection to use the network of your friend or of your relative, then that means that the person to which you have connected via the hotspot has implemented the local area network, and that local area network is wireless local area network. So the IEEE 802.11 group of standards define the technologies for wireless LAN. For example, path sharing. It uses the Ethernet protocol and CSM and CA carrier sense multiple access with carrier sense multiple access with collision avoidance. Okay, so this is the Ethernet protocol, and these avoidance protocols that will be used The important part that we need to discuss is the wireless LAN is access control. How a wireless host can get access to the shared medium, that is through the air. So CSMACD algorithm does not work in wireless LANs for three reasons. Because wireless host does not have enough power to send and receive at the same time. The real-time communication will not happen most of the time, because they will use because everything that is using the wireless is the battery operated. So if we permanently connected to the current supply, that means then there is no need to implement the wireless devices over there, because wireless means we can go anywhere within the range of the network. So if we have to connect it to the current supply, that means we need to stick to one particular place, because the wireless do not have enough power to send and receive at the same time because of the battery operation. The hidden station problem prevents the collision detection. Some collision detections are there when the same data is being sent to the same destination, and the distance between the stations can be great, can be very large. So that is why it is not able to uh, implement the CSMA in wireless LANs. So hidden station problem is like the diagrams given over here. So either they look like visible, but they are not in each other's range. Okay, so station B and C cannot either because their range will not be moved towards B and C or towards each other. Similarly, this thing happens like this, like B is connected to A and C is connected to A, but they are not interconnected because there is some wall in between the B and C, so they are not able to see each other. They are hidden with each other. So IEEE 802.11 defines the specification for wireless LAN called IEEE 802.11, which covers the physical and data link layers. It is sometimes called wireless Ethernet. In some countries like the US, the public use it on Wi-Fi. That most of the time we also use that, and its full form is wireless fidelity. You may be heard of this hi-fi, and it is high fidelity. Basically, the advanced version of this Wi-Fi, and it is the type of data transmission using LEDs. So, with the help of light emitting diodes, and they are able to transfer the data. It is being invented by the China. So, Wi-Fi, however, is a wireless LAN that is certified by the Wi-Fi Alliance. This hi-fi is not being implemented all over. So even in the current time, we are using the Wi-Fi signals. So we have two kinds of architecture in it: basic service set and extended service set, BSS and ESS. So this is the infrastructure BSS, in which one access point is there, and all these systems will be connected with each other using the wireless access points. This is the infrastructure BSS, when the infrastructure is connected to the basic service set. Whereas ad hoc BSS is no access point, only they are connected by using the signals over here, and whenever their task is complete, that signal could be broken. This is called ad hoc BSS. So standard service set is a server or gateway is being used, and we use the distribution system to distribute the task over different BSSs. So in ESS, ESS is a combination of different BSS via a single distribution point or via a single server. Clear? Like in this point, in our college, one server is connected to the different access points that are being installed on the different floors, and suppose from your class 10 students are on first floor, 10 on second floor, and 10 are on third floor. Oh, sorry, first, second, and third floor. So at there, different access points are there. So these are the access points. And so first floor students will be connected with the, suppose this is the first, second, and third. So first floor student connected with this access point, second with this, and third with this. That means extended service set is being implemented. Clear? this is the CSMA and CA. So source and destination, some data is being sent and it is received at the destination by a specific time. One real-time system is there, and then there is a CTS. Can anyone tell me what is RTS and CTS? That is request to send and clear to send. Yeah. Request to send and clear to send. And it is in this, it is not the real time data communication, because of the high power consumption using real time data communication is there. So the source will send the RTS to all the nodes connected, and the destination will uh, reply with clear to send. So data is being there, and acknowledgement will be, when data is being received, acknowledgement will be sent by the destination to the source that data is being received. So some advantages of wireless LAN are there. Flexibility is there. So flexibility means anyone around the uh, behind the walls, or in a closed room or anything, that radio waves can penetrate through walls. So that is why anyone at any place can connect with it. So we need less planning as compared to the wired network. So design is independent of the devices, because small, even pocketable devices like notepads, smartphones, PDAs are used in it. So robustness, it can handle disaster. So uh, whereas the wired network mainly breakdowns during the natural disasters, but wireless network is somehow is able to operate. The cost of installing and maintaining a wireless network is average lower than the cost than the wired LAN, because we just have to implement a device in a wireless network, and beyond, between its range we can handle any number of devices as per its limit. So it is easy to use. It is connect and use a kind of feature. So some disadvantages are quality of service. Because of this wired network, it will not support the high bandwidth, which is a kind of maximum in the wired network. So due to low bandwidth, we are not able to transfer the data at a very high speed. So proprietary solutions are there, due to we have to implement some standardizations, due to which the new rules will be implemented and new standardizations will be there to enhance or to multiply the features. Then due to wireless network means, due to its feature that anyone within the range can connect to the network. So some government and non-government organizations can put up the operations operations and restrict some frequencies to minimize the interference. Then global operation, the all the LAN products are sold in all the countries, so they have to work according to the different regulations of different countries. So low power, basically all the wireless devices are of battery operated. So whenever there is a communication, the more the components of the wireless device will work, the more power consumption will be there. So the a kind of a battery power has to be upgraded, so that more time will be there to connect to the network. License free operation is there. We need not any license to connect to the network. If it is free, we will easily connect it. And robust transmission technology, if wireless LAN uses radio transmission, many other electric devices can interference them with them. Like the wireless, today it is raining very heavily. So in that scenario, most of the students are facing problem to attend the lectures because it is affected by rain and via some windy air will also affect the uh, operability of the wireless networks. Clear?